Guys, welcome to Boating for Beginners. This is a video about how to make your own snubber. Check it out guys, just check it out. Welcome to all my new subscribers. Good to have you on board guys, let's rock. What's a snubber, how do you use it, and what are the benefits? I'm going to show you right now. Here's the shelves. Guys, right, because this is shelving here, it can snag the chain and can mess up the windlass. It's a fantastic addition to your equipment on your boat, and I wouldn't leave the port without it. Okay, so here we go. This is how to make your own snubber. You guys, there she is. One snubber. Okay, well what I've done here, I've got about 5 foot of good quality rope. All right, good thick strong rope. I will put a chart up on the video, subject to what size your boat you've got. Will depend on what size of rope or thickness of rope you're going to need. Okay, but this one is ideal for mine, 1/2 inch rope. Okay, so I'll put a loop in here because then I can feed it straight through to cleat as per the video. All right, like so. Pull it through like that. There we are, like that. Okay, so that's that. I've tied a knot into here onto a bracket. Okay, and then I've gone one little step further, and this actually acts as a shock absorber. Okay, it's been really good. If it was just rope, then you would still get the snagging on the cleat. Okay, but with the rubber snubber, as I call it, that actually acts as a shock absorber. And then so that will actually take the strain from the cleat. Okay, because obviously it stretches. So that's a great bit of kit, this is. So get yourself one of these if you've got a spare one like I had. And then I've got a bracket here, and then this particular bracket here, okay, this clip fits through the eye of the anchor chain. So obviously you need the right size of hook to go through the right size of hole on your anchor chain. Okay, or the eye I should say. So, but it's absolutely been brilliant, really has. And of course it saves any tension and strain on the windlass, any snagging on the windlass, and it's been superb. Okay guys, up on deck now. Yep, and I'm going to show you what I call a snubber. There we are guys, attached to a rope. This is my own idea of setting up a snubber. Why would you want a snubber? Well, basically what you do, you take the tension off the windlass, okay, the automatic chain retriever, okay, that spins around, brings the chain straight into the cabinet which is in here, and the chain piles up in there. Okay, so what we do, I've connected the rubber snubber, okay, I've got a ring there, got a little link there. This link, okay, this link, this will actually hook onto my chain, but in the water, just like this, look. Okay, so there we are, it goes on there like that, so then it will relieve the strain on here if the winds pick up. So all I do guys, I've made it's a metre length piece of rope, made a loop in it like this. Okay, quite simple. I shall hook it over to through my cleat, all right, like so. Pull it through like that. There we are, like that. And then guys, if you're enjoying this video, then you're just going to love the videos that follow this. You're just going to love them. All right, rock and roll. A lot of people just use a rope, but I had a spare snubber, a rubber snubber, and it acts as a suppressor. It's actually better than just the rope, because then at least it also protects the cleat as well from any snagging. All right, if the waves picked up. So all I do now is just drop that in the water like so, Okay, that's in there. I shall swim round, connect it up to the chain, and then let a little bit more chain out, and the chain is very slack, as you'll see right here, right now. Here we go. We're in 10 foot of water. I've just anchored. It's quite rocky, a lot of shelves, so that gives good anchorage actually. Not the best anchorages, but because they can get stuck under the shelves. Here's the shelves. Guys, right, because this is shelving here, obviously that can sometimes, if the waves pick up, it can snag the chain and can mess up the windlass. So that's where the rubber snubber comes in handy. Oh yes, this is where I would use especially the rubber snubber, because on sand you don't get so much of a snag, but on shelving there's a hard, harsh pull on it. So I'm just doing precautions really. The rubber snubber is really handy for this sort of mooring. Okay, rock and roll. There you go guys, there's the rubber snubber. And that's taking all of the weight of the boat onto the cleat and not onto the windlass. So the chain just there is actually slack. You can see how tight the rope is. The chain's nice and slack, and that's your rubber snubber. Perfect for mooring up when you've got a lot of shelves on the seabed. You can see all the dark patches were there, all the shelves and holes in the rock. Okay, so you can get a lot of snags if you're not careful. Here's some clips guys that have made this channel the #1 go-to channel for boating beginners. And what you do in that particular case is you lift the bow just enough so that the bow is just over the wave. That's how I dealt with that. On the following sea guys, something that everybody will experience, especially new boaters. They won't understand that you've got your engine running and we use these things. Getting rid of all that salt, because you can slip and push it forward. Here you can't slip, you've got your hand resting on here. See guys, if you don't look after your boat, it's going to be a little bit of magic as well. Let me show you. Get yourself a nice buffer. There's the bit that's not done. There's the bit that's done, and you will get a fantastic finish. All right, look at this. Look at the gleam on that. Ring, ring goes the bell, guys. Yep, you heard that loud and clear, and so do swimmers. This is a hand portable by Cobra. Okay, Cobra Marine. At 30 feet, you can see what's on the seabed. Okay, that's sand, flat, awesome. As I say, don't worry about it. It is quite daunting to begin with, but.
tired of crying.